I'm the hacker, and yes, this channel teaches hacking, but I don't believe in guessing exploit or throwing random payloads and hoping something works. That's not hacking, that's noise. So I bring in the developer, not as an enemy, but as a map. Before I break a feature, I show you how it was built, because when you understand the logic, the exploit becomes obvious. The developer says, this input is safe. I show you why he believes that and where that belief fails. That's how real hackers work. They don't guess, they understand. On this channel, you'll learn web hacking techniques, real exploit logic, XSS, SQL injection, authentication flaws, penetration testing mindset, bug bounty style thinking, always ethical, always practical. We use the developer to explain the system so the hack makes sense. Welcome to Cyber Duality. If you want to learn hacking the right way, subscribe. Learn the build, understand the break.